Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shabeth. Today I'm going to show you my very quick and easy potato and beef recipe, but for this particular one I'm using lamb. So let's get cooking. For this recipe, I'll be using red and green bell peppers, onion, carrots. I've peeled and cut the potatoes in small cubes. Now I'm just adding salt and black pepper, and then I'm going to put that in the oven for a bit. This is a potato out of the oven. I wanted mine brown, so this is how it came out. I'm also going to be using lamb, or you can use beef, and you can chop that in small bits, but I like mine like this, so I'm just going to use this like that. To a hot pan, heat up the oil and fry the beef until it's golden brown. Now I'm going to add the onion, and then I'll add a bit of ginger and the rest of my spices, which is black pepper, rosemary, thyme, curry, and then I'll fry all of that together. Now I'm going to add the lamb stock. Cover and let that simmer for a few minutes. Add in your seasoning cube and salt to taste. Two tablespoons of butter. This will give it that very creamy, rich taste. And now the potatoes. I'll mix that up together and then cover and let that simmer for a few more minutes. Now I'm going to add the chopped carrots, peppers, and onion. I'm going to mix that up together and then cover for another 3 to 4 minutes, and then it should be ready. You can serve it like this, or you can leave it to dry a little more, but I like mine with a little bit of sauce because the sauce can actually be eaten with rice or spaghetti. That's without the potatoes though. This is actually very quick and very easy, and it tastes amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.